relay module setting, and activation of the temperature section. Now let's speak about how to set the relay modules. The DF4RI and the DF8RIT modules are devices in which the relay outputs can also work as a single relay, like the interblocked one in the engine's control. The DF8RIT also includes a temperature section. It is possible to modify the setting pressing the setting icon from the equations screen, after the preliminary options, or also during the advanced phases. Select the module which you want to set from the output points list. In the next pop-up, choose if the corresponding relay must control an engine type load, for example, rolling shutters, blackout blinds, Venetian blinds, etc. Or an on-off type of load, for example, lamp, electromagnetic valve, etc. Warning: when the function of an output gets modified, the equations which were previously written for that output will be deleted, as they would be no longer compatible with the new working mode. To enable the DF8RIT temperature section, proceed as follows. Press Configuration in the bottom left corner of the equation screen and select Temperature section. A pop-up will ask the activation of the time thermostat section. Press Yes. Press Configuration again in the bottom left corner in order to end the configuration. Then press the Programming icon in the bottom right corner in order to program the settings and to transfer the new configuration. The Start and Stop buttons will appear. Press Start and wait for the completion of the operation, which will take a few seconds. Then it will be possible to verify the configuration that has been set.